So in this video, we are still using the basic router security configuration. This is the next level of the router configuration. So just make sure you are able to configure some of the like enable secret password, line console, VTY, something like that. In this particular video, I'm going to show you the basic router security configuration. Okay, once you open the basic router configuration, so you will see the basic router security configuration. Once you open that up, you'll see your dashboard. For this, we need to see here, this is the basic things what we did earlier, the same task we are gonna do it, but it's kind of little different here. So first thing, we need to connect the router. So let's connect the router, each router here, and power off both of them. Once you power on this one, let's open the console. And once you open the console, we will do a few things here. So first thing, we already connect to the router and power on the router. We are gonna do configure terminal host name equal to R1. After that, we will set the enable password Cisco. Set the enable secret password, was what we did earlier. Enable secret CCNA. These are the two things. So for I just want to make sure, and I want to give you example here. If you are trying to use the enable password, that is first login. If you telnet, or in this GNS3 it is telnetted, so if you see right here, this is telnetted, so it doesn't help on this one. But if you go here, if you need to enable before you go to the executive mode, you'll see right here the colon, so like the greatest colon. So and then you have to type enter enable, and once you enable it, it will ask you to do password. So that's why we are enabling password here. After that, we will see the view configuration. So let's do the config terminal, so running config. So if you see right here, this is the enable secret, so that is the password which is hashed, and this is the password Cisco. This is a plain text which is not used. If we use this, that will be used as the CCNA as we do, so this password is no longer used. So we don't really need it. Depends, if you don't want it, you can just disable from here. So for now, I'll just put here, so I'm not gonna delete it. But if you go here now, is number 5 is view running config, which password is encrypted. So password is encrypted, the secret one is encrypted, so you have to go with the if you enable, as I show you, if you need enable, you'll is CCNA. Okay, so after that, what we are gonna do here, config terminal again. Now we are going to enable actually the password here. So this is because, as I told you, this is the telnet, so we need to enable another one. So that will be line console 0. So if you have multiple console, you can use 1, 2, 3. It's up to you really. So for that, we will see password CCNA. Okay, so once we hit enter, and it will save for you, we have to do login. Once we do login, you have to exit. So we are pretty much set here. Exit, and exit here again, and exit again one more time. So now you will see the actual password, because we are telnetting from here. So once you telnet the IP address, what you are trying to connect to router from your computer, so it will ask you to hit the password. So if you see right here, so it is asking the password, which will be CCNA. Okay, so once you hit CCNA, you will able to log in and executive mode. If you want to also encrypt the CCNA encryption, now what we have to do here is, once we enable the password encryption, so we will see what change made. Okay, so we will do the so running config, we will see the differences. what change actually made. So this is the what we already did. and we will see all the way down, so all the way down here. So if you see right here, okay, so also if you want to encrypt this, you can also do that. You can do config terminal line console 0, and you can do service. So if you see right here, what you have to do is, if you use a 0 for encryption, so this will be encrypted. So on encrypted, so if you see here, so number 7, if you use it, this will hide the actual password. We completed number 5, and we need to enable password encryption. So for that, we need to go here, config terminal, and we will say service password encryption. Once we do that, we will do one more so running config, and we will see what changed. So this is the password, it changed now. So if you see right here, the password is encrypted. Password is encrypted right here. So that's how we need to encryption on the router itself. So now we have to do one more thing, is WR, which is write. You can do this, you can also do write are done for this one. So I will see you in my next video.